Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Thelma from the Thelma and Ryan duo, and if I am here alone, you know what is about to go down. We have got a good prank for you guys today, good one. So Ryan's just outside putting the car on charge, so I thought I would quickly do an intro and let you guys know exactly what is about to go down. Make this a quick one. Basically, I've seen on YouTube that, you know, your partner's on the phone. I know he's got to call his dad when he gets back in, so your partner's on the phone and you just make loads of awkward noises. I don't know if I'm going to do it with his dad because that's just going to be a bit awkward, because I don't want his dad to, you know, have a crazy image of who I am. But I know he's got to call a couple of his friends, so when he does that, I'm going to go in with the noises, guys, and let's see where this goes. I'm going to get this boy good. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. We would love for our family to grow, and so far we've been loving the guys that the love that we've been getting from you guys, and all the comments, and following us on our Insta as well. So please stick around and, you know, watch out for what happens next. See you guys soon. Bye.
The car's in charge.
Thanks, Sue.
You're welcome. It's cold out there.
Well, it says we're gonna get some snow.
Yeah.
Whether we do or we don't is a different question.
It's supposed to snow all day tomorrow.
All day tomorrow, I think half the day on Monday, and then there's a break, I think, Tuesday, and then it snows again on like Wednesday, Thursday, but we shall see, we shall see. Didn't you say you was gonna call? Didn't you have to call one of your friends or something?
Yeah, I want to discuss the barbecue. You know, we're going, I don't know, I'm sure I've told you, I want to do a barbecue for the heavyweight boxing title.
When's that?
So it's supposed to be May. They haven't confirmed the date yet, but it's
As
supposed
long
to
as
be
it's
May.
not on my birthday. If it's on my birthday, then that day is all about me.
It won't be
Who
your
cares about the fight?
It won't
you know.
be it shouldn't be your birthday.
But my birthday falls on that bank holiday weekend. So
I know.
It might be, and if it is, it's just like, peace out, it's gonna be my birthday. So if you're coming because it's my birthday. You're not coming to watch. The only thing that's gonna be on the telly is pictures of me. Like,
we're gonna have, like, if we do something for your birthday and the boxing is on,
yeah.
we have to play the boxing and watch the boxing. It's the biggest heavyweight fight.
Well, first of all, is the boxing's in America, isn't it?
Well, they're going to be fighting in America.
Yeah, so the time difference, it shouldn't affect my birthday.
No, they're going to do it earlier for prime time here. Because normally, boxing is like evening stuff.
Yeah.
And they are ahead of us.
No,
behind us, sorry.
Yeah.
So, behind us. So what I've heard is that it should be around 7, 8 o'clock here.
On night time?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Then my birthday's kind of winding down. As long as the day has been about me. That whole weekend is about me. And the days that follow is about me. I don't mind.
Cool.
I don't mind.
Okay. You're right. Yeah, I'm good. How you doing? Yeah, I know, but all this coronavirus stuff and lockdown and that. Can't go anywhere. So, I want to talk to you about. Yeah, no, nothing. You know, in May, AJ and Tyson fight. So, do you think it will be in May? And okay. So you still, what do you think? Barbecue's a good idea? Yeah.
stretching. You know, I always have back pain.
Asking me like, what we doing?
We're not doing anything. I'm just literally stretching.
You trying to wind me up?
I'm stretching, baby. Oh, just makes me pain.
Sorry. No, we're not in bed. Bruv, I'm sitting here and I'm just talking to you and watching TV. Alright, cool. So, what do you think? It shouldn't rain. I don't think it'll rain. But I'll do what I did last time.
Oh.
And I put the tarpaulin up. In case it does rain, it should be fine. Because in May the weather's hot anyway.
You don't really want to get wet. You want to get wet.
No. So, how you been anyway? I haven't seen you since. How long has it been? Since the baby shower.
Too long. You should always see your friends more regularly. You should leave it a long time.
What are you doing?
I'm just saying, you said you ain't seen him in long, so I said don't leave it a long time.
No, she's not high. 1 second. Naya thinks we've been smoking or something.
Babe, I was simply just saying, don't leave it a long time. That's all I'm saying.
Do you want to go upstairs or something?
No, I'm good.
I'm trying to talk to my mate here.
Go ahead.
Can you stop making noises? B, like I'm trying to talk to you here.
Yes.
The guy thinks that we're doing something.
Okay. Oh, simply just saying what you were saying, but...
Right, so no more noises.
Yeah.
It's a bit... Everyone on top of each other. But...
People shouldn't be on top of each other. Shouldn't be on top of each other. Shouldn't be on top of each other.
To my dad, and he was saying, so which supermarket are you going for your birthday? Literally what you can do for your birthday is go to a supermarket. It's about as much fun as you can have. What should I choose with which aisle?
Tell him about the big balloons that got you.
Yeah.
Tell him about the big balloons that got you.
Yeah. Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh, I don't know, man. No, she's not high. She's not. She's annoying me. No, I'm just sitting on the couch watching some TV now, and I forgot I was supposed to call you. But this girl just wants to be acting up. And everyone enjoys watching boxing. Maybe not the girls, but all the guys do.
I love a big boxing match. Big swinging arms. And their sweat. Get all nice and sweaty and hot whilst they're swinging
1 second,
their arms.
B,
Yeah.
I've already told you. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Okay. Oh, like, I'm just literally commenting on what you said about the big swinging arms, boxing.
You barely watch boxing.
I've watched the other one with you. I watched it with you.
What are you doing?
Babe, I was just saying about commenting about
I
the
can't
boxing.
keep talking to a friend when you're doing that. You know what you're doing.
I'm not doing anything, babe. Honestly.
You know what you're doing.
But I'll be quiet since, you know,
You've already said that.
you don't want me to be intervening in your conversations.
You've already said that.
Oh, see.
But you've already said it. And you keep doing it. You're making me look like a weirdo.
That was a bit.
No, don't do it again.
Come on. Don't know why you're getting emotional.
What do you mean I'm getting emotional?
I'll shush. I'll shush. I won't comment no more.
Like, you can comment, but not in that way.
I'm not commenting in any way. I'm just gonna watch telly now. I'm just gonna watch telly.
Just, you can talk, like, you can do what you want, but not in that way. You know what you're doing. Like, it sounds like we're Do you understand that?
Babe, I'll shush. Just go back to your conversation, please. Getting on my nerves. Okay? Well, you keeping him on mute, it's not gonna help, is it?
Yeah, I did the same barbecue as last time. Yeah. We get the oxtail going, we do all the jerk chicken, get the rice and get the stew going. Get the curry chicken.
Yes, curry chicken.
Yeah. It'll be an improvement than last time. Put it that way. Because I'll get a proper ping pong table this time.
Ooh, bouncing around that ball. Ping.
So how's work going?
I like the big burgers that we get. Big, juicy, fat burgers. They're really, really good. You know, like when you bite it and all the juices are just dripping down the side of your mouth and you're trying to lick it off.
Yeah, no.
Have you told them about them burgers?
I don't know what she's trying to do. I actually don't know.
Babe, it's a prank.
1 second, I'll call you back.
It's a prank.
What do you mean?
I hid the camera in the bookshelf over there.
Where?
Over there.
You're an idiot.
I got you good. Did I get you good? I can just tell him that. I'll tell him.
Alright. Don't do that again. That was so weird.
I saw it on YouTube and I wanted to get you back because you got me good. It's a prank, guys. So I got him good. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos from us. I hope you enjoyed, because I certainly enjoyed this video, and I know that I've got on your nose, and he's just not going to talk to me now for the rest of the evening because he's going to be like, you took it, Tinker. Peace out.
See you guys.